Oh my God!
We have a Land Rover here. This is a long-time client of ours. Her lease return is almost up. The car came here for inspections to see what we need to do, just so she doesn't get overcharged. And she actually did save almost like $10,000 on it. So we installed a automatic door entry. Unbelievable. No door handle, no problem. Only at RDBLA. So we're doing everything much cheaper than the dealer. We're just trying to change a few things here that are wrong. Door handles are already scratched, so we're changing that. It doesn't work really well as well. We're doing also the visor. It's also broken, so we're putting a new piece in there as well. We're also doing body work on the car. There's a lot of body work damages on this as well. And then we also installed the side steps on this car. These are all brand new. Right side step and the left side. As you guys can see, there's a few cracks on the glass, so we're gonna put a brand new one, factory glass for this Land Rover, so you know they don't charge it for that as well. Believe it or not, you know it is double price at Land Rover, and it's the same glass. So if you guys need anything, minor work, full heavy work, it doesn't matter what it is, it doesn't matter what kind of car it is, come to RDBLA.
I'm 100% blind. Don't ever drive an Aventador or Roadster that's dirty, because everything will go inside your eyes. The sun doesn't go. The sun is right in my eyes. Right now we're going to one of our clients, setting up a party tomorrow. The Getty family, Balthazar Getty.
One of his heirs, Balthazar Getty, who is John Paul Getty III's son and J. Paul's great-grandson. The 42-year-old is now an actor. You may have spotted him in the new season of Twin Peaks, where he played the character Red. Nowadays, he's okay with what happened and can even call himself proud of being part of the Getty clan.
I'm going to meet him right now, show him a few of our cars. He's a car fan. We do all his cars. We did his Porsche Turbo in matte black a few months ago. So we're gonna go there right now. Number one reason to buy an Aventador is the sound.
Imagine me and Montez sitting and just going slowly down one of these streets, and you just get a car in front. The Denali, one of our big cars. Yep. You hang Adam out the back. Bang. This for us.
This is a dope one.
No-brainer.
RGB, and I wrap her, and this is
too. Wrapping art rooms.
All day, man.
Tomorrow.
All right, homie.
Just drop the card.
Where the
that's mine. Is that vintage?
No.
Thanks, man. Purple House Music. And go to Balt Getty, at Balt Getty. BALTGETTY. Cars are flying. Woo!
We have a G-Wagen here. This is for one of our clients of ours who's been bringing his cars to us since day one. So this car needs front brake job, rear brake job complete, along with rotors, sensors. That's what we're doing. So as you guys can see, these are the old rotors. They already have a big lip on it. So anyway, I mean, when you do brake jobs on these Mercedes or any BMWs or Audis, replacing rotors are recommended. So that's the right way. That's what we're doing. We're gonna put in cross-trail rotors, front and rear, put the original pads, sensors, and do a service on the car, and we're good to go. here are the old brake pads of this G-Wagon. As you guys can see, there's like absolutely nothing left, almost metal to metal pretty much. So he took it too far. Alright, we have G-Wagon here. We just finished. As you guys saw earlier, we do use all original parts on cars like these, and that's because so we don't have any problems later on and the customer's happy. We don't have any noise, any steering wheel vibration. Everything is perfect on the car. So let's see how it feels. Perfect.
You got a song for us?
MJ?
MJ.
The great Michael Jordan. I mean, it would be very sad if people didn't know that commercial. If they've never seen that. You guys gotta remember that one. Sometimes I dream he is me. Got to be like how I dream to be. Dum-dum-dum. A dream on moves. A dream on moves like Mike. I want to be like Mike. I want to be like Mike too. I'm sure all of us do.
I like how you edited the drums.
That's amazing. I love it. I love it. Damn, mama, there goes that man. Perfect. Car is done. On to the next one. So, this car has been here before, as you guys know. We did coilovers on this, and apparently this car has a broken axle right rear. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the axle, make sure it's perfect, brand new. Also, he wanted this car lowered really low, so we did that for him with these adjustable coilovers. And when he went home, he actually broke the front bottom of the bumper. So he got a new piece. It's a beautiful carbon fiber piece that we installed here, and that's done. And we're gonna work on the axle and release the car. We have, as you guys can see, this is the old armrest. Yes, this client does have many dogs, so this is I believe a problem with the dog. So this is already done. We have a brand new one from Land Rover. It looks like it's two separate glasses, but this is one complete glass. The one all the way in the back and the one in the middle is actually one piece, but it just looks separate when you look at it from inside the car. Glass is in. That's all complete. We just got the door in as well. We had to take the whole door out to do some body work, so we did that as well. Now we're putting all the parts back together, and we should have the car ready before we get out of here. Probably another hour or so.
I'm working them arm muscles.
All power. We are taking the old wrap off this car. I lost my breath. Jesus. I'll be 37 in 1 month, man.
These are pretty fast.
This car's finished. Body work's done, mechanical service is done. It's come a long way. We've done a lot of work. It was pretty quick. So, I mean, for the amount of work that we did, it's impressive. And we do so many things throughout the day. So, to actually get this done and do everything else at the same time, it's unbelievable.